Okay, here we have a vintage Peugeot road bike, around 1980s I believe. She's a 6-speed, so 6x2. It's a pretty big frame, it's HLE tubing, basically gas pipe, to be totally honest. Nothing on it's like, on this particular one's branded, there's no like, well, it's got Wyman brakes, that's about it. And it's got Sachs rear derailleur. Yeah, it's a company that make clutches, but they're not really known in this day and age for bicycle parts. They make car parts. So Sachs rear derailleur. I believe actually the bicycle division of that turned into SRAM, so it sort of is known, but it's not known as Sachs, it's known as SRAM. So basically SRAM drivetrain, indexed, so it is indexed. On the you know, the rear cogs are indexed, the front cogs are not. So it's got this, it makes this click. And there's a little mode, you can turn it on and off. But yeah, so pretty old school thing. Interesting 1980s paint scheme. Got the aluminium, the original wheels on it, matching wheels. Everything going for it. The original tyres, probably the original tyres, still hold air. Although I wouldn't trust them for any amount of time if I'm totally honest. Big old rear reflector on there. Only issues the saddle's got a bit of a hole. Apart from that, it's all good. Yeah, vintage Peugeot road bike. Yeah, still got some sort of sticker on here. Is that from when it was purchased, I wonder? Maybe. Yeah, that concludes this video.